Emails.
Do you often send emails? Do you often send emails? When would you send emails to others? When would you send emails to others?
If you are looking for more questions and strengthen yourself for the test, subscribe to our channel and like the video to be the first to see the latest videos.
Is sending emails popular in China? Is sending emails popular in China? Do you think sending emails will be more or less popular in the future? Do you think sending emails will be more or less popular in the future?
If you know the answers to the questions, you can write to us in the comments section.